This video will show you how to fit a Revolution lock for the Opendoor door locking system. You will need with you a Phillips screwdriver, 4 AA batteries and the Allen key from your management pack. Firstly, insert the mortise into the door, making sure the cabling from the mortise is fed through the front of the door. Next, screw the mortise into place. Place the key barrel into the mortise and using the Allen key secure the key barrel in place with both screws. Following this, insert the 2 spindles into the handles, placing the springs into the handle, and if required, insert the deadbolt spindles into the mortise. Now plug your mortise cable into your front handle and attach both handles to the door, making sure that the springs of the spindle sit in the handle correctly and the cabling is tucked into the door. Holding both handles securely in place, insert the screws in the back of the door. Make sure that they grip to the handle and not to the door. Tighten the screws slightly until both screws are in place and then tighten with your screwdriver. Next, insert the batteries into the case and place it into the mortise. The lock should then beep to confirm connection. Now, attach the 4 into the mortise, securing with the 3 small screws. Finally, confirm that the handle inside opens the door, the front handle is now locked, and that the deadbolt works correctly. You will now need to configure and assign a room number to the lock.